Seth, what do we get at the farmer's market?
Broccoli.
Broccoli?
No, broccoli. Cauliflower.
Cauliflower?
Yeah.
What else do we get?
Oh, cauliflower. Yeah.
Yeah.
Cauliflower. Yeah, broccoli.
Yeah.
And peaches.
And peaches? Yeah, we did get some peaches.
No, peaches.
Yes. Do we buy our eggs there?
Yeah, eggs.
Yeah, eggs. Do we buy lots of vegetables?
Yeah, no, not no vegetables.
What do we get?
Yeah, I have vegetables.
Vegetables, yeah.
Yeah, and then crayons.
And crayons, yeah. We did get a truck crayon, didn't we? Do we buy any meat there?
Or on a truck.
Are you going to go get it?
Yes, in the bucket.
Okay.